Darling, welcome back to my channel. Let's see, I really don't want to ruin my makeup though. If you are new, my name is Sahara Coleman. Today we are doing a very extra unboxing video because we have some expensive skincare down here. But before we get started, honey, listen to this tea because it is hot. It's like, let me get the receipts on my phone. Okay, so let's see. My receipts tell me that I ordered this on Monday. On Tuesday, it did not ship. So I was like, that's a lot of stuff and a lot of money not to have shipped the next day. So by Wednesday, I had called the lady. Well, I had called Praire.com. Dude, she had the worst attitude with me. And I'm like, are you forgetting that this is over $400 worth of products and you're getting an attitude with me? I was like, hi, my name is whatever. I didn't receive an email confirmation letting me know that my thing has been shipped, a shipping confirmation with tracking. And she was like, Miss, our computers have been down and all of this stuff, yada, yada, yada. So I was like, I need to know, when it's gonna ship. And she was like, well, let me have your information. And I was like, okay. So I gave her my information and I was spelling it out for her and she was like, Miss, you don't need to spell it out. Still with a bad attitude. And it's like,
stop, you ain't got to get no attitude with nobody.
Okay, I'm trying to help you out, make it simple for you. So then she was like, well, it has shipped out and I have the tracking number. And I was like, well, why didn't I receive an email? She was like, because our computers have been down. And I was like, I would have loved to receive an email letting me know, especially because of how much the stuff costs. And so she was like, well, I have the tracking number right here. I can give it to you. I was like, I still would have wanted an email, but go ahead and give me the tracking number. She gave it to me. And I looked it up and she was like, well, you're gonna have to give it some time because our systems are down and all of that type of stuff, and it takes a while for, tracking to go through the system. And I'm like, I understand that, whatever. And then we get off the phone about, let's see, about an hour or two later, it says your Praire.com order has shipped. And then it says your order is on its way to you, another email. So you're getting on the phone with an attitude to one of your customers telling me that your systems are down, but an hour later I get an email saying that it has shipped. And when I went on to check the shipping, it said that it had just shipped. So she had lied to me. Not only did you get on the phone with an attitude to a customer, but you also lied to me and you said that it shipped when it did not ship until after we got off the phone with each other. So I was like, I'm gonna let it go. With shipping, they did UPS, which is excellent because FedEx shipping sucks completely. But I ordered on Monday, it shipped Wednesday, and it got here today on Friday. So very fast shipping, which congratulations for them. But don't be getting on the phone with no attitude to one of your customers, because I was this close to telling her, look, put someone else on the phone that does not have an attitude and is not disrespecting a customer. Because she got on the phone, like, I heard her attitude as soon as she got on the phone. I was like, this little snooty, stuck up little, but I kept my cool. So here is the box that it came in, regular UPS box. Open this up. I'm gonna try to be careful because if I end up scratching something, we can see how they package their stuff. Oh, look at that box. And they put, good that they put this around there, because I was getting ready to say not one part on this box says fragile. So it's nice that they still secured it, because we all know that these people can tend to throw your package around. And it has, hold on, let me just put this box down. It says Praire, Switzerland, and it has a bow tie. So that's really pretty, and that seems like perfect for the holidays, by the way. And then it also has this envelope that says Praire. Let's see what the envelope says, because I don't see an invoice for the purchase. It just comes with a return address, the slipping ID, no, a shipment slip ID, like a slipping ID. High class, high class. I really think that I should take a picture of this first before opening it, because I'm pretty sure I'm not going to be able to put this bow back this way. Alright, so I am back on from taking a picture. Time to open the box. I don't want to mess the bow up, but it's too late. Here's the bow. It just says Praire, Switzerland. Let's go that way. Okay, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. The first thing that I see is this little booklet. On the front of it, oh, that just snapped really fast. So that's magnetic. So on the front of it, it has some design on it. I don't know what that is. And it says La Praire, Switzerland. It says La Praire right here. Let me show you guys up close. Then on the back, it just says La Praire, Switzerland once again. And when you open up this little magnetic part, it says, a tale of luxury, platinum and eternal shimmer signaled my cosmetic arrival, gold locked in the soil for errors. I arise with an alluring glow, white caviar, the infinite power of light dazzles every gaze, and caviar created as a life within a life, I emerge iconic. And then it says, we are pleased to present you with this gift of time. Thank you for your purchase. Wishing you a year of timeless luxury. Wow, sweet. Here are the skincare products. There are 7 things in here. I think I got 5 things and 2 things were free because of how much was spent, something like that. And it comes with all of this. So it is very well packaged and protected, which is really, really good. Actually, I'm gonna go through what everything is, then open it up. So this is the cellular hand cream in 3.4 fluid ounces. This is the extract. That doesn't even look like the word. Like, do you guys ever say a word and then you see it and it doesn't even look like it? I think that's extract of skin caviar firming complex for 1 fluid ounces. Then we have the skin caviar liquid lift in 0.24 ounces. We have the skincare essence and lotion in 0.34 ounces. It looks so cute. Okay. And then we have the essence of skin caviar eye complex with caviar extracts in 0.5 fluid ounces. We have the white caviar. Is that all it is, white caviar? Yeah. This is in 0.17 ounces. This was like the little sample one. And then we have the anti-aging rapid response booster in 0.17 ounces. This is another one of the sample ones. So this is the packaging, just pretty silver. Reminds me of Lancome's packaging, was just also a very luxurious product. So I'm gonna go open these and then I'll come back on camera and show you guys each one of them. So I just thought I should mention, I peeled the plastic off of all of them. When you open the top up, the top has a La Praire and then focused on this and not on me. So it has the La Praire and then like the, I guess this is like a village in Switzerland, I'm not sure. Or maybe a little house. So when you open it up, it says discover more at laprairie.com, and then it says La Praire all over this part of the packaging. And then when you open it up, you have the product, and then I guess you have ingredients, or yeah, ingredients and probably how to use it. So here is the, that's really pretty. Here is the cellular hand cream. I love that packaging around here. The silver, and then this part around here says La Praire. So let's see. I think it has too much of a glare. Oh, there we go. So here's how this one looks. Next one has the same thing. So this is the extract of skin caviar. So that is how that one looks. And let's see, is this a pump? Yeah, this is a nice little pump. So you have like a squeezy tube, then you have a pump. The essence of skin caviar. And this one is like kind of packaged twice, which is weird, but here's this one. So this looks like a little dropper. So I'm guessing, if you guys can see that, my camera's not picking up because it's like, it looks really bright from here, but I guess you like open it up and then just press it down. Oh yeah. This reminds me of Becca Cosmetics foundation, where you have to like press it to like pump it out, which is so weird, but that's that. So this one right here is the skin caviar liquid lift, and if you guys can see that inside this thing right here, it looks like a little gold I don't know if that's supposed to be the caviar. Just like looks like little gold flecks are in there. It says align arrows to activate, shake vigorously to blend. So this is another pump thing. I can kind of smell it through here. It smells really good. It smells like fresh. So this next one is the little small anti-aging. So these little small ones are going to be like the sample tubes. But in these little small packs, they still show you, they still have that little directions thing that you can use in the ingredients. Oh, this one right here is a Skin Caviar Essence and Lotion. So it's definitely not one of those little squeezy tubes. This is a smaller version of their more luxurious packaging. Let's see how you open this. Let's turn it, twist it. Oh, so this is something that can easily go everywhere. It's just like a little bottle. That should have came like with a little like something to keep you from using too much. But it's like with how much this stuff costs, I think you'll always have that in the back of your head on that you don't need to use a lot. And the last one is the white caviar. And this one looks like it's in a, yeah, a little squeezy tube. See, it's just in a little squeezy tube. Like, it's kind of worth it to do a video like this so you can get an idea of how they package expensive stuff. Like, do they package it well? How does the product look? You know, it's really all about how it works too, but you know, I'm all for cute packaging, and this was cute. Okay, now it doesn't want to close because there's so much of this stuff in here. Like, they filled, oh, all of it's going on the floor. They filled this whole thing up. I don't know, I think this is gonna look cute on a vanity. I wonder, should I think I'm gonna have to put this up on a vanity or something. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing bougie look. And for the record, for people who may be new to my channel from this video or whatever, do not in whatsoever way think that, ow, that I am bougie. I am not bougie in any way. You could watch my other videos and find that out for yourself. But you know, I just thought I'd get a little more extravaganza. Like, what it, how does Mariah Carey say it? It's wait. Darling, it's an extravaganza, like whatever, like that's how I want it to be today, you know, extravagant, extra, very, very extra. I just did this quick makeup look to go with this look. I don't know what these lashes are doing, but if you guys wanted to see it, it's kind of like a holiday look. But if you guys wanted to see this look, just let me know. Let me know. I got a little button nose like Rudolph. But I hope you guys enjoy it. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Wait. Darling. Bye. Bye, darling. See you darlings next time.